we'll find out about how to get the whole um, sorry so get the whole line actually when you are accepting one string. Basically there is a way to get through do it through has next, right? But I don't want to do it as of now. It will get difficult for some of you as of now at this point, so I'm not using that has next part as of now. Let's create another class now and we'll understand, can we create object of one class from another class? Is it possible? So I'm creating a class and I'll say manager, managers, okay, manager, something like this, who will manage something. So we'll create a main function also here. Fresh, it's a very fresh class. Every class is independent. See here, I have created manager. There is EMP class. They, these two class don't know each other. They don't know each other. Okay. But you can make a relationship between them. One of the way is related to inheritance, but we are not doing an inheritance as of now. Okay. Let's understand. We are not doing anything related to inheritance here as of now. But can I create the employees object here? Is it possible? Can I write EMP E3 is equals to new EMP? Employee class is somewhere else. Employee class is somewhere else, right here. But I can create the object here. Why? And can I say E3 dot accept, what was that function? E3 dot it's not coming. E3 dot, where was the function? Except it's not coming. Have you observed that when I'm running E3, it's not, it's showing designation, ID, name, salary, but it is not showing me accept value. There is a reason. The reason is this accept detail, we have created it private. Private, whenever you will write before any particular function, let's say, it will become the private property of this class. It will become private property of this class, though the class is public. Class is public. That's why I'm able to create the object in any of the in another class which is there in the same package. I'm easily able to create this thing. Okay, I'm easily able to create this. In fact, let me copy paste one line, just one line, which is there in show detail, right? This one. So if I'll copy this, and in the main function, you cannot write this here because this can, you can use only for managers, what we say, managers class level variable. You have to explicitly use here E3 as of now. So let's print it. E3, and here also E3. So in this program, what we are doing, we are creating the object in manager class, and we are just printing the values. Yes, it's printing me -99 null 0.0 test engineer, because the default value with this constructor, we have kept it something like that. That's why it's printing me this. Okay, I can do it. But have you observed that E3 dot accept value is not coming? It's not coming because you have kept the property as private. Here, if you change it to public, let's change it. Now I'm changing it to public. And now I'm coming back to manager. If I'll say E3 dot accept value detail, this time it is showing me. Earlier it was not showing. Same thing with show detail. E3 dot show detail. It's not coming. But let's change this EMP, this private thing, to public. Public means you're making it more visible to the outside of the class. Okay, I'm repeating. When you say something as public, that means you want its visibility to be there in other classes also, or the other classes can use this function also. Then you make it public. If you make it private, that means only within this class only you want to use your own private functions. Very simple one. This time, if I'll do E3 dot show detail, it's coming. Done. I will right click and say run as Java application. It's asking me ID and all. I'll say 234. Name as Nitesh. Salary is 3344.78. And designation is lead QA. Done. This time, when I did show detail function, when I called show detail, it is showing me 234. Whatever details we have put, exact same detail it is showing. So what we learned today is we can create object of one class from another class, right? It's possible. It's possible. Without importing it. If it is public, it's possible. Let's do some meaningful quickly. For the manager, okay. Let's create a function. So we'll say public void calculate salary. Calculate here in the calculate salary. Let's keep it will be this dot. Okay, it is not saying you this dot anything because you have not created anything here for the class level variable, right? So let's create something like double manager salary. So what we are saying, if there is a manager, we want his or her salary to be calculated in some different way. Okay. We want to add some commission or some bonus for them. Let's assume, right? So we'll say bonus, double bonus, okay, or variable, something like that. What we'll do for this particular manager, we'll say manager salary, this dot, okay, hold on. This function we are creating in a wrong place. It should be outside the main function. Yeah. Okay. So I was saying this dot manager salary will be the normal salary. The normal salary is like E3 dot salary, right? The usual salary. So basically, you should have two things here again. Double salary, normal salary. So you want to do it like it should be addition of both this. Control C means you want to add the bonus for manager plus the normal salary. Okay. So after accepting the details, what we'll do, we will call this function E3 dot E3 dot, okay. Because, okay, I was expecting that I can call a function calculate salary. No, no. You have created the object of employee. So you can call all the functions which is there in EMP class. There is no calculate salary or anything in E3. You have your own function here, right? So here I can simply say calculate salary. It's not coming, but don't worry. Once you will make it static, it will come. Public static void me. Can I have calculate salary now? And you have to pass two things. One is bonus. So my bonus is $450, let's say. And my usual salary is E3.salary. Correct? Which you have already put. Now you are doing show detail. So that will not show you the details of the new what we say changed salary. E3.salary is still same, which is there, right? We have not done anything. But how to show that? You can create your own show detail also. You can create your own show detail in this function. So we'll say public. Or once the show detail is done, after that also you can do something. Okay. Let me resolve this problem first. What it is saying. Just a minute. This is saying cannot use in a static. Yeah, that is another problem that you cannot use in static context. Fine. You have to create the object, then only you can use, this keyword and all. But that's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll create one object here then. So employee is a normal employee. You can create manager now. Manager M1 is equals to new manager. Okay. And you will calculate for manager's salary. So you will say M1.calculate salary done, where you're passing your own bonus and the salary. See, manager is also a kind of employee only. So this is the basic detail for that employee. But then you want to say, I want to get extra thing, right? It's like this. So you can then print your, I will say updated salary. Updated salary is equals to plus this. No, not this. M1 dot manager salary. Okay. So this time, if I'll run this program, this will ask me some detail. I'll say 234, name is equals to test, something I have given. And then salary is, let's say, 10,000. Now, designation, let's say lead, enter. If you see here, it's showing me the default detail, what you have put, that's fine. But your updated salary is 10450. So what I was showing with this example is you can do calculation between two different objects. It's possible. You can do calculations on two different objects. Here, you created manager and said that I want to call a function where I'll pass my bonus and the salary which I have, right? It's like this. So we'll calculate the salary and we'll have another variable which will be like manager salary, and we are just printing it. That's it. This can be handled in a better way when you use inheritance. But as of now, I just want to show you that without inheritance, how you can do it. That's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow.